Hello, Center 2. So I will be going over the sentences here, and we're looking for the different kinds of CH sounds, right? So we know there are three CH sounds. We have the ch, the regular CH sound. We have the sh, SH sound, and the k, the K sound. Today, the sentences are telling us about a trip that a student went on with their teacher and their experience that they had at a restaurant. So first I'm going to read out all the sentences and then I'm going to go over each word one by one and then you can put it under the correct heading. So let's begin. Mr. Christie took our school choir and orchestra on a field trip. So they took the school choir, that's people that sing, group of children that sing, and orchestra, they play some musical instruments on a field trip. He chauffeured us to a restaurant called the Chic Steakhouse. Pictures of cartoon characters were on the walls. A large, bright chandelier hung from the ceiling. Every table had a vase of fresh chrysanthemums. The chef, Charlene, made delicious chicken. Our waitress, Charlotte, served us with a smile. The chocolate chiffon pie was their specialty. I had grapes and cherries for dessert. At the end of the meal, our teacher paid the check. He left the extra change for our waitress. We, as a chorus, cheered her. So let's talk a little bit about what's going on here in these sentences. So we know that Mr. Christie took the school choir and the orchestra on a field trip. He chauffeured them around to different restaurants. Well, to a restaurant. Chauffeured means drove them around to a restaurant called the Chic Steakhouse. So when they got in the restaurant, they looked around and saw some pictures of different characters on the walls, right? Cartoon characters. So maybe they saw some SpongeBob or, some Rugrats, some pictures of cartoon characters on the restaurant wall. And when they looked on the ceiling, there was a bright chandelier. And chandeliers are beautiful decoration. It looks really nice in homes and restaurants. Every table had a vase of fresh chrysanthemums. I have a little picture here to show you what kind of flowers these are. These are called chrysanthemums, right? So in the restaurant, they had a vase full of those beautiful flowers in the middle of the table. And their chef's name was Charlene, and she made delicious chicken. So they ordered chicken. The waitress, the person that served them the food, her name is Charlotte. She served them with a nice smile. So she welcomed them, right? The chocolate chiffon pie was their specialty. So usually restaurants have a special for the day. And that day, their special was the chocolate chiffon pie. The person writing this, the first person pronoun I tells us it's the first person. I had grapes and cherries for dessert. So the person writing the sentences are telling us that that person, the writer, had cherries and grapes for dessert. At the end of the meal, our teacher paid the check. So we could see that they were treating them because they didn't have to pay for it. The teacher paid for it. And he left the extra change for our waitress. So they also tipped the waitress. At the end of your sit-in or your dinner at a restaurant, it's usually custom to give the waitress, the person that served you, a little tip. So this is called like an extra payment or a little money, leftover money, or any amount that you want to let them know I appreciate the way you served this. You were so kind. Here's some extra money. So that's something that grown-ups do a lot, right? Maybe you may have seen your mom or dad do it. And then we as a chorus cheered her. Remember, this is a school choir, and they also, sing. Well, the choirs sing, and then they also have people that plays instruments. So, as the chorus, which means all together, they cheered and sang for their teacher because maybe they were so excited that she took them out for dinner and so happy that she treated the waitress nice and they had fun. So they cheered and they were happy for her. Okay. So I'm going to go over each underlined word. We're only going to be doing the underlined words because those are the words with the CH sound. Look carefully. These are the words with the CH sound. Okay? So I'm going to start saying them one by one, and then I need you to put them under the correct heading. But let's go over this. Church, I'm going to put on the top here. If you're going to write the word under church, it has the ch, the regular CH sound. Chef, chef has the SH sound. So if you hear a word sounding like sh at the beginning, middle, ending, wherever, make sure you put it under the word chef. And then we have the word cord. Cord. That has the K sound. So you will put all the words that has the K sound under this word. It would be best if you can label on top of your book, label it like that. That way you already know which word you would like to put there. Okay, so the first word is Christy, Christy, school, school, choir, choir, orchestra, orchestra, chauffeured, chauffeured, chic, chic, characters, characters, chandelier, chandelier, chrysanthemums, chrysanthemums, chef, chef, Charlene, Charlene, chicken, chicken, Charlotte, Charlotte, chocolate, chocolate, chiffon, chiffon, cherries, cherries, teacher, teacher, check, check, change, change, chorus, chorus, shared, shared. Remember, you could pause the video, rewind wherever to whichever word you need. Go ahead and fill them in at the bottom.